Hey guys, in this video I'll go over how to get your T5 from Wealthsimple. You can do this through two ways. One is the Wealthsimple app and the other one is using your web browser. Now from the app, all you need to do is sign into the Wealthsimple app, mobile device, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then just go ahead and tap the settings, which is the gear icon in the top right corner, and just select the accounts menu item. Then you just need to choose an account, scroll down to the button of the account page, and then there at the bottom you want to tap on tax documents under the documents section. You just need to review the available tax documents for the selected account, and the same way for the web. Okay, sign into your account first, then go ahead and so here you go, log in, select your profile icon at the top right corner once you're logged in, and then select account from the settings. Okay, select whichever account you want to get the tax documents for, then just select tax documents from the menu, and then you can review the available tax documents, and here is where you'll find the D5. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.